How to search for messages in Google Chat. Open a browser and search for Google Chat or type in URL of www.googlechat.com. Then go ahead and tap on the first suggestion shown. Now wait for your Google Chat to be fully loaded. Did you know you can search for messages using keywords? For that, all you have to do is in the search bar, you have to go ahead and write a keyword that you remember about the message. Google Chat will display you with all the conversation that you have used this keyword in. You just have to go ahead and select the right conversation that you are looking for. And that is the first method. The second one is to search for the email address or the username of the person. In the search bar, type in the email address of the person and it will display the conversation with the person that you just mentioned. If you never want to misplace the important message, all you have to do is hover on the message, then tap on the three dot. Once you tap on it, you will see the star option. Go ahead and tap on star. To find the start message, you have to tap on the hamburger icon, then expand your shortcut. Right here, you will see the start option. Simply tap on it and you will find all of the conversation or messages you have started. Isn't it simple? And those were some of the ways to search for messages in your Google Chat. Go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for tuning in.